Fun with Nails. My name is Tina, and I would like to thank all my subscribers for joining me, and welcome to all the new subscribers. Please give a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And today we're going to do an unboxing. So today I have got, let's see, my first one here is Red, White, and Belle. So this is a French tip. I have something really fun planned for this one come 4th of July. So that one's going to be put aside for the 4th of July, so you'll see that one coming. Next, from last year, I have Blue Jean Baby. And I found this one on the Color Street D-Stash group. So I got this one off the D-Stash group for $5. This next one I also got from the D-Stash group. This is Gaelic Greenery. This is from 2021, I believe. No, 2020. And the next three are newer. They're all petty sets. Next is See It to Belize It, which is a very pretty purple. Kind of reminds me of oh, I can't remember the name of the set now. Oh, I can't remember the name of the set. But there's that one. Next is Teeny Weeny Sanartini. I probably said that wrong, but this is a very pretty blue glitter. Next is Yumi and Capri, which is a very pretty shimmery pink. Really like this one. I had these next four I also got off the D-Stash group. Another petty set, Evening Sky. I really love this one. And then I got In the Mood. I didn't get this one when all the sets came out. I wasn't really into it, but then I seen some different nail fuse with it, and I was like, oh, now I gotta have that one. So I grabbed that one for $5. Can't pass it up for $5. Next is Road to Recovery. This one, I seen a bunch of different nail fuse with this one. I wasn't really into it when I first seen it, but then I seen some nail fuse with it, and I was like, yep, another one I gotta have. And then next is Spot On. Just gotta always have a leopard print. And then from Amazon, I got some little nail decals. It's got kitties. Oh, gotta have the kitties. Okay, so I haven't opened this up yet. There's supposed to be some other ones in here also. Let's see what all we got in here. So we got the kitties. Ooh, this one's got deer and flowers. Ooh, I love the roses. And then some greenery. And flamingos and a bunch of different other greenery. Some other different flamingos. And then some palm trees, sunglasses. Those are kind of cute. And then bees. Oh, I love the bees and butterflies. Super cute. Adorable. I love them. So I got those. And then today I had to go to Walmart, and I had to get some cat food. And I just happened to go through the nail section, and I found they call it like chrome powder. So I got this, it's LA Colors. They were only $2 a piece. So I got this blue, which is called Twinkle, and this purple that's called Glam. So let's see if I can, oops, helps. Oh, there went that on the floor. Don't use your nails as tools. Your nails are jewels, not tools. And don't stab yourself in the finger with the with the scissors either, though. Okay. Never used this kind of stuff, but I'm excited to try it out. Ooh. Okay. So there's a, okay. So the purple is really pretty. No, it doesn't want to close. There we go. But yeah, that you can kind of see it there. That purple is super pretty. I really want to try these. And then there's kind of the teal color. So I'm excited to try these. I have a really cool idea for a mani that I want to do. Not using these, not yet. I need to research exactly how to use these, but I'm definitely into trying these out. But I have a really cool idea for a mani coming up. Probably do it tonight, so you'll probably see it tomorrow. So that's it for my nail mail haul, and you all have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.